So this new AI tool just changed everything. Look at this. So the tool I'm talking about is Luma Labs AI. They basically came out with the RAY3, which is a new model, which makes these videos really high motion, high quality, which makes these even more realistic, because before this, all the AI videos looked quite low motion, quite unrealistic, but this is a step forward because right now you can actually make videos that are really realistic. Other basically AI model that is doing something similar is Kling AI, which came out with 2.5 as well. But here you can see some examples. Here is another video of how great it is. You can actually make movies right now with this tool. It looks incredible. So how I made these videos, really easy. I went to Midjourney. Midjourney is the best AI tool for creating all types of images that you want in any style. So here is some 80s grandma versus bodybuilder. Here is the marathon, and here you can see the prompt that I was using. I was using some mood boards as well. So here is the 90s dance club. Here's the dog outside, looking outside the window. Here is the flower, which was basically filled with a water. So yeah, for the images, I would recommend you to create Midjourney. Here you can see you can even create styles like these ones, which looks like from a movie. And basically there is no other image generation tool that can basically make images like these ones. So Midjourney is the best. And the next thing you want to do, just go on Dream Machine lumalabs.ai. The link will be in the description. And you just upload the image, write prompt. I would suggest you to write a simple prompt, don't overcomplicate, so basically the videos came out more realistic. So here you can see how the car blows up and the fire is really realistic. That's why I tested it. I thought it will look fake, as most of the AI videos look. This was, I think, the only one that looked quite fake. Here you can see a satellite falls down from the sky, and I tried to make this basically horse chewing on. I did a shoe. It is not chewing. That's why there are still some errors when you are trying to make video. This came out really nice. I like how the faces are really great. It is not making these weird faces like other AI tools does. It basically is fixing so it looks realistic. So that's how you do it. You basically, right here, you upload the image, then you write your prompt and just create. The only downside about Luma Labs is that it is quite expensive. So yeah, if you're not doing this professionally or creating content, there is no reason, but still here you can see how awesome this looks. And again, AI is getting better and better. That's basically how I created this video. Luma Labs AI RAY3. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI tools, AI news like these ones. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.